Sourdough Kathy here. I just wanted to give you a little picture of what Alaska's looking like right at the moment. The only reason I'm out at all is because it's the first day that it hasn't been like 8 degrees with a wind chill of like below zero. And we didn't even have any snow until the day before Christmas, I believe it was. And then we got hit like 2 or 3 days in a row. And it's pretty chilly right now. But I'm going to take you inside and I'm going to give you a peek at some of my experiment that's going on with the ENCs and the red wigglers. So here's our sky here. And it's getting dark already. It's going to be dark soon. So I'm going to take you inside now. Alright guys, here we are with our 3-gallon totes. And in this one we are going to have the red wigglers and we're going to take a look at them today. I know that they've been producing eggs. Let's see if we can find them all. They're not easy to find. Here's one. Right there. I'm going to stick him over in the corner. And we're going to try and find the rest of them. Oops, I see another one right here. There's 2. Not doing bad. He looks like he might have an egg inside of him. These guys have been mating profusely. I mean, just absolutely profusely. I'll try and find them quickly. They're not easy to find in this little tote. 3, 4, and as you can see, we have eggs. Lots of them. There's a lot in this one. Okay, let me count that again. 1, 2. I lost count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. Put this over them. Keep them covered. 4. This is actually not a simple thing to do when you only have 6 in a tote. So I have to kind of manipulate the bedding and castings and eggs and everything else to find them. There's 4, number 4. And I'll tell you, it seems like I come in here every day and I'm usually finding at least a pair mixed together. Last night I thought, oh, what happened? There's one missing. And then when I looked really close, I saw what was happening. So I still have 2 to go. This has got to be the most boring thing to watch. And it's unfortunate that I usually find them right away. I'm trying to keep the food all in the same spot. But they run around anyway. They go wherever they want to go. I have not found any infants in the red wiggler tub here. I know there are a lot of eggs that are turning amber now, but they so far have not hatched, or I haven't seen them. It doesn't mean they haven't. It's just that I have not seen them. Okay, I'm still missing 2. Oh, there's one. He's the same color. This one's a nice size one. So that's 5. The other day I was in here and I counted 11 eggs that I came across, and I kind of piled them all up in one spot. Oh, I think I might have gotten them all. I think he may have been hiding someplace else. So, let's see if I got them all. There's one. There's two. There's three. 4, 5. Come on, be in here. Well, you know what? I know he's in here. So we're going to call that good. But considering, I don't know, I think it's been maybe 3 weeks to a month. They've produced a lot of eggs. And like I said, they're getting ready to... a lot of them are coming close to hatching time. Here's another egg right there. Right there. They're so tiny, some of them. Alright, let's go over to the... I don't want to keep bugging them. Let's go over to the African night crawler. Not the African, the European night crawlers. You will be surprised with these African night crawlers if I can find them. Because when I put them in, they were the same size as the... red wigglers. I mean, absolutely the same size. They were small. They usually stay in a corner where I keep food. Oh, here's some right here. Here's one. These guys have gotten big. Look at 2 of them mating right there. Right there, you can see them mating. So there's 3. I think they're still mating from last night. Wait till you see the other ones. They are huge. 3. Here's one of their eggs right there, turning amber colored. I hope you can see that. Let's see. Yeah, you should be able to see that. Sorry about that. This is kind of a crazy experiment. Here's 4. Here's the 4th guy. Look at the size of them. They were not that big when I put them in. But if I can find those other 2, you will be amazed. Well, here he is. Here's one of them. This guy is the Palooza. He has grown so big since I put him into this. It's ridiculous. So that's 5. And there's another guy that looks just like that. The 6th one. And here's another egg. Different color. Yellow colored. Right there. You'll be... These guys are so funny. I was so amazed that after just a couple of days, and here's the last one. Here's the 6th one. Look at that. Look at the size of him. He's huge. That's the size they're supposed to be, not little tiny guys. So all 6 of them are in here. I know all 6 are in the other one. They're breaking down the bedding, and they're eating. There's quite a bit of food still in here, but I mean, what do you expect for 6 worms? And oh, and I wanted to tell you, there is an infant worm in here. He's probably about 2 weeks old. I found him last night. He was on the bottom of the tote, and he's older than a wisp. He's much older than a wisp. Here's 2 eggs on some food right here, right there. So these guys are knocking out, as you can tell by what you saw. They are really knocking boots here. Okay, I really apologize for not getting something up sooner. I hope everyone had a very Merry Christmas. I wish you all a very Merry New Year and a prosperous one. I will try and get up some videos much sooner. and on a weekly basis. This was just between the cold and my pain and a lot of other issues that were going on. I just didn't have it in me to make any videos. I hope that you will enjoy sticking around, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and make sure you hit the notification button. Give me comments. I really like to answer the comments, and I would love to have you like my videos because that helps me out. And check out some of the other folks that do gardening and worms and whatnot. They would sure appreciate it. Thank you all. I love you. Bye-bye for now.